Do you want ChatGPT to remember details between chats, or would you rather keep every conversation independent? ChatGPT includes memory features that can personalize future responses based on what you've shared, and you can turn these features on or off whenever you like. To change your memory settings, open ChatGPT and click your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Then select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click Personalization. Under the Memory section, you'll find the Reference Saved Memories option. Turn this on if you want ChatGPT to remember information you've chosen to share across future conversations. If you'd rather not use this feature, simply turn the toggle off. For example, you can simply tell ChatGPT something like, "Remember that I like watching science fiction movies." If Reference Save Memories is enabled, ChatGPT can save that information and use it in future conversations. You can always see what has been saved by clicking Manage in the Memory section. This makes it easy to review or remove anything ChatGPT has learned about you. You also have a Reference Chat History option. When it's turned on, ChatGPT can use information from your past conversations to make future responses more relevant. Keep in mind that turning off Reference Saved Memories doesn't delete anything already saved. If you want to remove them, stay in the Memory section and click Manage. From there, you can delete individual memories or clear them all. Memory can be useful for ongoing projects and remembering your preferences, but if you mainly ask one-time questions or prefer more privacy, you may want to leave it turned off. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out my other tutorials for more quick tips and useful features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.